I will tell you how I made my short stuck in 0 views to reach millions of viewers and get thousands of subscribers in a short period of time by knowing and applying these 4 tips that I did not focus on from the beginning of the channel, which cost me a lot of time and effort when I did not know them. And I will save you time and effort so that you do not make the same mistake as me and spend your effort and time in the right way and start a correct start in the field of shorts. And the second tip is very important not to miss it. Come on, I'll tell you what they are. 1, editing is a key factor for your videos to reach your viewers and spread on YouTube, because YouTube algorithms are not easy to understand and study them well. And I recommend that you focus on the niche that you will offer to the viewer. Will your niche benefit the viewer with information, or will it entertain the viewer? You must put yourself in the viewer's place and see if your shorts are really worth watching, or am I making an effort without result? Study the niche you are going to present well. Look at the competitors in your field and see how they present their content. And try to learn ideas and information so that when you start, you have a good understanding so that you don't start randomly and don't find results. So my advice is to focus on providing professional content, learn good editing, and take your time to provide professional content. For me, I use After Effects and Adobe Premiere. I advise you to learn them and you will see the results. 2, account age. If YouTube thinks your account is new, which is anything created in the last 3 months, it'll probably flag it as a bot. This means that your videos won't be published to viewers because YouTube will see your account as new. If your account is new or only a few months old, YouTube might flag it as a bot and not publish your videos. It's best to have an account that's not too new and not too old. If your account is more than 3 months old, I suggest posting regularly and consistently. This will help YouTube recognize you as a human, not a bot. As a bot, the account is old and registered before the channel was created, so you're good to go. Just keep going and don't lose hope. I went through these same situations until I reached these views with interaction in other people's videos, with likes and comments, that YouTube doesn't think that I'm just a bot. 3, timing is a key ingredient that can't be overlooked. If you waste it, you'll end up exerting effort without seeing results. Even if your content is top-notch, timing is still a big factor. It's important to look at when YouTube users are generally active, not just on your videos. After looking at the data, I found that the best times for all content creators to post are between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. when most viewers are active. From my experience across all my channels, I found that these timings got the best results compared to previous timings. I suggest you try it and you'll see. But don't forget that your content should be useful and contain helpful information for the viewer. Try your best to produce professional content and let the rest take care of itself, and you'll see. Tags and hashtags, I'd say stick to 4 tags and hashtags max. They don't have much impact on the video, and too many can actually hurt your reach. But hashtags are a different story. I've seen them really boost engagement and views, so I'd say go for it. I noticed that hashtags are much more effective than tags. They help people find your videos, and they help them spread and get more views. So I started paying attention to hashtags and writing them accurately. Just make sure you use hashtags that are related to your video. Don't use random hashtags. Here's a tip from me based on my experience. I hope the video is a quick and easy watch, and you find it useful. I don't want to go on and on just to make the video longer. I want to give you clear information and a simple thank you. If you make it to the end, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. Take care.